Hi everyone, hope you are all fine. This is Atiq. I once again welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Engineering Drive. What is NPTEL Modified Pass Certificate? Okay, I think this is the first time in originality we are listening this particular title. What is that? NPTEL Modified Pass Certificate. You know, don't think about Photoshop. Sir is saying here, take original NPTEL certificate and modify it. If a student has failed also, we can convert that into a pass certificate. My dear students and my dear friends, here I am not going to teach that method here. Okay, the purpose of my today's video is, you know that in this particular year of 2020, January to April exams has been cancelled. You know that there are many aspirants of NPTEL, many participants, many students, many employees, many teachers, they have applied for the NPTEL exam. Sadly, due to this pandemic situation, exams has been cancelled. Now, even though exams has been cancelled, NPTEL has provided all the aspirants a pass certificate. We will not call it as a normal certificate. Actually, it is a NPTEL modified pass certificate. You know what is that NPTEL modified pass certificate and whether it is also valuable compared to original NPTEL certificate? Okay, each and everything I am going to clarify in my today's video. So my dear friends, you know that January to April semester of NPTEL exams have been cancelled at that time. Even now July to December semester has started now. It is running, but we don't know, depending on the situation, if that exams also may be cancelled. We can't say, because if the situation will continue like this only, then our government may take decision that the exam should not be conducted. At that case also, this NPTEL modified pass certificate term will come into apply. Okay, what is that NPTEL modified pass certificate? How NPTEL will give this certificate to us, and whether I am eligible, sir, to get that certificate? Because generally NPTEL will give the certificate based on the assignment score. Okay, based on the unproctored exam for the programming subject and based on the final exam which you will write in the allotted center. Based on these three criteria, NPTEL will give the certificate to you. In all the three criteria, you need to get greater than or equal to 40% of marks. Now, final exams are not there. January to April, students and aspirants, they have not written final exam. Then how they got the NPTEL modified pass certificate? Let me clear that. For example, January to April 2020, these aspirants, okay, many of them have received an NPTEL modified pass certificate. How, sir? Based on assignment score. Sir, how it is possible, sir? Imagine if you are a student, if you are writing internal, you have written internal exams, but you have not written external exams. Now, if I want to judge you whether you are eligible, whether you have passed or not, what I will do? Either I need to conduct the external exams. If I can't conduct the external exams, the situation does not permit me, then what I need to do? Based on internal only, I need to give the certificate to you. That's what NPTEL has done. What NPTEL has done, you know, that they have checked your assignment marks. You know that for a 4 weeks course, how many assignments NPTEL will take? NPTEL will take 3 best assignments. For an 8 weeks course, NPTEL will take 6 best assignments for calculation of marks. And for 12 weeks course, NPTEL will take 8 best assignments. So this is the formula that our NPTEL will do. What our NPTEL will do means, let us say all these people, all these NPTEL aspirants, they have during this semester they have submitted the assignments. If a student has participated in a 4 weeks course, then they will take 3 best assignment marks. If a student has participated in 8 weeks course, best 6 assignment marks. If a student has participated in 12 weeks course, best 8 assignment marks. They will take the average of those best assignment marks, and that assignment marks must be greater than or equal to 40%. If they will take the average of your assignment marks, and once you got that average greater than or equal to 40%, then what happened? Then you have cleared the assignment exam successfully. Now what NPTEL has done, based on its assignment marks only, they will give the pass certificate to you. Okay, you will not get the certificate based on your final exam, because final exam has not been conducted for January to April 2020. In case if this situation repeats for the July to December 2020 exams also, then NPTEL will take your assignment seriously. So my dear aspirants of NPTEL, my dear students, my dear subscribers, my dear viewers, I will give one important information. The reason I am preparing this video is to make you alert that concentrate on your assignments perfectly. Try to get as many good marks as possible, because we know that if you clear your assignments, let us say there is no way that you can't write, in worst situation, if you won't write your NPTEL final exam, at that time also you will get the certificate based on assignment score itself. So okay, that's why we are calling this certificate as, NPTEL also will call this certificate as not normal certificate, NPTEL Modified Pass Certificate. Okay, next question. Sir, no problem sir. Many of us, if we clear the assignment score, will get the NPTEL Modified Pass Certificate. What about if we won't get the assignment score? Suppose if some student has got only 30%, can the student is eligible for NPTEL Modified Pass Certificate? No. Clear no. Because the minimum criteria to get the NPTEL Modified Pass Certificate is greater than or equal to 40% you need to get. In case if the final exam is not conducted, then based on this only you will get the certificate. Is it okay? Now one last point. Sir, whether this certificate is also valuable, sir? The answer that I want to say is yes. It is also equally valuable to the normal NPTEL certificate. Next question. Sir, I have applied for the credits, sir. January to April exams, I have applied the NPTEL exam for the sake of credits. Now, whether I am eligible to get now I got this NPTEL Modified Pass Certificate, sir. Whether I am eligible to get credits? The answer is 100% yes. Because if you go and visit the website of NPTEL, there clearly they have mentioned, even if you visit SWAM website, that for this particular year, for the particular semester January to April 2020, due to the COVID-19 situation, it is hereby informed to all the universities that they need to take this NPTEL Modified Pass Certificate and accept it and provide the required credits to the students. Clearly NPTEL has given this circular to all the universities of the colleges. So surely they need to follow that. Okay. And in case if your college does not follow it, then what you people can do? You can contact the NPTEL team. Surely they will help you. That's what they have mentioned in the circular. Okay. So what are the things you need to take to your college if you have written the exam for the sake of credits? Dear students, you need to take the assignment score. You need to have the assignment score will be there in your account itself, SWAM account. You can take that assignment score marks and then you can take the NPTEL Modified Pass Certificate. These two things you can submit to the college and your college will take care of the credits. Okay, I believe that you people have got a clear picture about how this NPTEL Modified Pass Certificate and when this certificate will be given, under what circumstances. Each and everything will be, I believe that it has been clear to you. So any doubts, any questions, you can put it in the comment section. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.